All right, Waterloo Middle School students, this is Mr. Deuth here with a very quick tutorial on how to install the Screencastify extension and then how to record a screencast, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. And if you've got some assignments that you're trying to turn into your teachers while schools are closed for the rest of the school year, this might be a very helpful tool for you, okay? So up here, I've got just a blank Google Chrome window open. I'm not signed in as myself or anything. And I did this so that you can see from the very beginning how to get to the Screencastify extension, which, by the way, Waterloo Schools has purchased the premium version of this for all students and teachers, which is amazing. So what you need to do first is you need to just type in extensions at the top of your Google Chrome browser. And then that should bring up this Chrome Web Store link. Go to the Chrome Web Store. And when you get to the Chrome Web Store, you're going to search for Screencastify. Okay, so if you look up here in the top left of my corner, it's Screencastify. Screencastify. And it's kind of this like pinkish, orangish colored one. And you're going to click this Add to Chrome button over here. Now, I can't do that because I'm logged in as a guest. But what I'll do now is I'll log back in as myself. I think I can do that. Maybe. Here we go. We'll do this instead. Uno momento while I get a new window pulled up here. There we go. Okay, so here is my Google Chrome now. I'm logged in with my school account. And you can see up here, right up at the top of the screen, you've got this little Screencastify video recorder button. And when you're ready to start a screencast, all you do is click this button. There are some different options, like if you want to add like a webcam view of yourself, like I do on some of my videos. If you want to add some annotation tools that would pop up, not that side, on this side. Nope, this. Ooh, my camera's backwards. It always gets me. It would be this side of your screen. There you go. Some annotation tools to like draw and stuff. You can add those. And then you hit the record button. It records. You can record you talking. You can turn the microphone off. You can do all sorts of stuff. It's pretty cool. And then it will save it to your Google Drive. And that is what you can then use to share it with your teacher. Okay, so hopefully this was helpful for you. If you have more questions, please send me an email. I would be happy to help you. DEUTHE@waterlooschools.org. Shoot me an email, and if you're having trouble with this, I can help you. Hope this was helpful.